My swimming hole spidey senses are a-tingling.
Several months later.
Warnertown Falls on the Tobyhanna Creek is located 100 yards downstream from the Warnertown Dam. The Warnertown Dam was built to create an ice lake to harvest natural ice. In 1902, the Tobyhanna Creek Ice Company built a massive ice house and conveyor system on the lake. The ice house was capable of holding 65,000 tons of naturally cut ice. A rail spur connected the Warnertown Ice House to the other properties of the Tobyhanna Creek Ice Company in Tobyhanna, Pennsylvania, along the Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western's main line. In this rare 1908 photograph of the Warnertown Ice House, we can truly see the massive size and scale of the building and the conveyors that filled it. In this 1939 aerial view, we see the Warnertown Ice Lake in its years of full operation. Notice the length of the earthen dam to the left of the frame. Also notice the massive size of the ice house as compared with the few buildings in the village of Warnertown near the highway crossing of the Tobyhanna Creek. A small orchard can also be seen. The location of the falls is also marked on this map. The natural ice business began to decline starting in the 1920s with the advent of mechanical refrigeration for both domestic and commercial use. The Warnertown ice operation ended in 1952. Soon after, the ice house was removed, as was the spillway for the dam. Rails were removed from the spur, but the bridge over the Cross Keys Run remains to this day. Today, little remains of the Warnertown ice operation. Foundations can be found for the ice house and conveyors. The earthen dam still remains, likely due to the fact that the spillway was removed before the disastrous 1955 floods. The Tobyhanna Creek has reverted to its natural course. The lake has become a swampy bog filled with wildlife, including beavers, and bears. To get to the falls, park in the small lot off of Route 423 at the trailhead. Follow the trail to the T, then make a right. Walk out on the earthen dam until you hit the ruins of the spillway. The falls are visible downstream.